Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be building a creator set. You can build this one. That's the same thing as this one. So you can build this one, which we're going to be building this one. You can build this one or this one. Comes with the robot minifig. And I'm going to make this big robot and I'm so excited. Alright, let's open this up. Here it has a finger press button. So that's where I pop it open. No, I just break the box open. And the first thing we're gonna do is make the minifig. Alright. His torso and his legs are in this box. But I do not see his head. I don't know what that is. Oh, his head's in here. Alright, his head is in here. Oh, it's just, it's okay. It's pretty small. There's some joints. Alright. So this one we'll be creating. This one, yeah. Alright. I'm pointing down so you can see how I'm doing it. Alright. Alright, so let's see what the first step is. Alright, first step obviously is minifig. Alright, let's build it. Okay, he's got iron. They look sick. Oh. Okay, let's get his head out. He's got a cool, super cool robotic face. Whoa. Got a super cool robotic face. Right? Yeah. You can see inside. You can see the neck through it. So he's gonna. Alright, so he's gonna be over here. I'll make him not fall off the thing. Alright. Alright, for now he was be over here, breaking his robotic body. It's gonna be over there. Alright, let's see what's first. Alright, so we gotta get one of these. Oh wait, that's the first. Oh, we gotta get this. I'm thinking, yeah. Alright. Let's get those. Alright. Yeah, let's just get that piece in there. Yep. Alright. Alright, we got that. Now we need two corners. I'm pretty sure they're... Alright, I'm gonna look for those little corners. Dude, they're already started building something. Alrighty. Oh. Okay. Let's just... I'm gonna put them like this. Let me just double check this is the robot. Yep, Betty. This is the robot. Right. Now we need two of these. And we need another one of these. Alright, put this and it's like this. Okay. Yes. Yeah, this is definitely the robot. Alright. Two of these. Alright, we need two of these little clip pieces. I need one of those 3 ones. We're okay. A dark gray 3. And one of these. Alright. So we'll put it right here. Oh. Let's start off. Alright. This and this goes off right here on the bottom. There. I think it goes like that. Yeah, that looks right. Alright, we need 2 of those. Chicka boom boom, chicka boom boom, ba-da. Alright, we get 2 of these little steps. How do I run up? I'm facing the clip way. And we'll get one of these. Oh. Get this one and this one. Here. Like that? Yeah. Like that. And we need one of these. Oh, this is awkward. Doing one brick at a time now. This. And then we need what? Then we need 2 of these orange steps. There's 2, right? Yeah. 2 of these orange steps. Goes like this. Oh dang, this is super sick pieces, man. I have this piece in this color, but never this piece in this color. It's like a robotic Chinese hat for him. Beep, bop, boop, beep, 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 beep. We can get it even more Chinese.
So this girl you were following?
Super Chinese, beep, 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 beep. Super Chinese robotic teal hat. Alright. Well, robotic cyan see-through hat. Eat. Now we need two pluses. Two pluses. Alright, two bricks with a plus in the middle. Okay, one. Oh, here's the other. Alright, this. Oh. Like that. Like that. Looking good. Alright, we need one of those. I was about to flip the page when I still had more things to go. Wait, what do I need? Alright. I'm just looking at the pieces. Forgetting what I need to get. That was super weird. Alright, and I was looking at the piece I needed and didn't even grab it. Alright. Okay. That's probably how the arms attach. Alright, now I need one of these. Oh, no, two of these. Get over here, get high for me. Like that. Alright. Then we need two little wing pieces. How do we put them? Alright. Better. Oh. I need. Oh, this is for the head. Oh, okay. I know how to make the head. Alright. What do I need? Alright. I need this. And this. And this. This. Right. Boom. Boom. And boom. Look at that cool head, man. Alright. Like that? Okay. Alright. Now we need this glass. And we put it like this. Oh, man, that's super cool. Could take him right out. Oh man, that's super cool. I like that. We need one of these. One of these. Stick it in like this. And then get one of these. I don't know what this is doing. This is. Oh, okay. Alright, I'm gonna do it like. Oh, okay. I see. I accidentally skipped a page. Oh, okay. Now. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see now. Alright. Alright. This, and I got to do this two times.
So what is this?
Right, let's make this once again. I need 3 of these. And these. Oh. And this, I'm pretty sure that's all we're gonna use for right there. See, something is missing. I will put it back. Right. Right there. Oh yeah. Then we gotta put this part. Okay. Put it right here. Holy cowsy moly. Oh. The legs can rotate. Oh, this is super cool. Alright, this is super awesome. Alright, now it looks like we're making its pincher. Alright. We'll need one of these. And one of these. We just put it like that. Okay. We need this one. This one. I need one more. Okay. Alright, how do we put this together? Alright. And then we get this one. And we put it right here. Right, now we get one of these. And we put it like this. Like that. And then we get one of these. And put it like this. And this one. It's probably gonna stay in the middle, but I gotta see. And where's that piece at? Where is that piece? Well, I don't see that piece anywhere. Do I need glasses? I don't know. Oh, I need 2 of these. Oh. Oh, it's this. This goes like this. This. And I attach this one here like this. Okay, and I need 2 of these. Attach it. Oh. Oh. Dude. Alright. Alright, we gotta do like the 4. Do this. Oh. I wonder if I can make another one with the leftover pieces, but I doubt it. I doubt it, doubt it, doubt it. It looks like something needs to be done on the back, but I don't know. Alright. Alright, this. So we're basically doing what we did before, but a little bit different. Oh, now what's this one? Okay. Oh, so we're doing the, oh yeah, okay, because we're doing the opposite side. Dude, I'm so excited to see this when it's finished. Oh, where is that piece, actually? I can't find it. Where is that piece? Dude, it's hiding somewhere. I can't find it. It's gotta be somewhere if it's asking. Where? It's not down here. I don't know. Huh. I've gotta find it. Oh my god, I thought that was one piece. Dude, that was so hidden. Oh, now I can't find it. Okay. Put it back. Alright, now we need two of these. I did two of these. One of these. One of these. Alright. So I gotta do this and kinda like do this. Alright. Alright. This right on top. This right on top. And this right on top. Like that. Alright. And I connect them. Like that. And yep, that's basically it. Oh, and then that one's also pretty cool. Oh, that's cool. It's like a space robot. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe bell, notification. Click the subscribe bell, notifications, and like button notification bell and the subscribe button. See you guys next time. Bye.